I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Hi guys, Lens here. In this video I am going to remove this digitizer for this phone X20, and I already take out the battery. So guys, I am going to do a removal for this phone of the digitizer. First we need to heat this up and take it apart. So guys, I removed the digitizer. As you can see, that's the screen, and also you can see piece of tape pushing out there. So I'm just going to turn on the switch to see if the screen is good and everything, and you know, everything is working perfectly. The battery is in the back, so as you can see, everything is legit with the screen. So all we have to do here is just to take the back off. That's all we have to do. We just have to screw the screws out, and then we remove the ribbon for the digitizer, and then we do a replacement. And then what we can do, we can apply adhesive glue to stick our digitizer down. This is how you can remove your digitizer screen for your Doogee X20. That's the name. So yeah guys, my name is Lens. Like, share, subscribe.